flat black, single turbo, extended cab Chevy truck that can run dimes, ran a 1020. We have a headwind here. What can you tell us about this beast? And it's a street truck too.
Oh yeah, man, I take it to the gym, drive it daily. It's a full rate struggle with the 83mm turbo. It was built by On-Ball Turbo and Fabrication, tuned by Clear Lake Speed. The head work itself was done by Cassia Performance. The truck moves, man. It's a fun drive. I drive it to, like I said, to the gym. I can take it out to a meet, go home, take it to the track, go home in it, man. So have a lot of fun in it.
When you ran that 1020, what horsepower was that?
Guesstimated it's never been dyno, probably about from 1100 to 1000 probably.
God dog. Now how much horsepower can this thing make? What's the cap?
Right now we're at 19 pounds of boost. We could probably go about 25 pounds of boost.
And now you say this is a street truck. Are you willing to bring it out on the street and hurt some feelings if maybe there's some other trucks out there that think they can whoop your ass?
I do it already.
Really?
Yes, sir.